What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Barclays Bank's online banking account. Now before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on, shall we? So the first step is you want to search for Barclays Bank login and click on where it says login to online banking over here. It'll take you to this website. Now there's three ways to log in into your Barclays Bank. The first is membership number, the second is card number, the third is sort code and account number. You can choose whichever method you like to use to log in into your account and then enter information according to that. I'm gonna go for membership number. I'm gonna enter my last name and my membership number over here and then just scroll a bit down and click on continue, and I should be able to log in into my Barclays Bank's online banking account. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial. And see you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.